we're making kind of a coconut curry. And right now, so far in this can, we have a whole bunch of stuff. Carrots, celery, some red peppers, some cabbage, and some oil and mustard seeds. There's a couple mustard seeds popping up there on the top. They're the first to go in. And we are going to saute some spices in here. What's all in here? Little 5-spice powder, Chinese 5-spice, and a little cardamom. And I can't remember what the other one is, but we'll figure that out and I'll let you know. Okay, and we're going to just fry those up a minute. Okay, I think the ingredient I didn't mention in there was cinnamon. So we're just going to saute that up a little bit. Let those sizzle a little bit. You can't smell them where you are. I can smell them. Veggies are still doing their thing over here. Veggies doing their thing. Okay, and you can kind of see these sizzling a little bit. There they go. You can see them sizzling. You can see them sizzling a little. Next, I'm going to add grated onion, minced garlic, minced ginger, and a bay leaf. And I'm going to throw that right in there. I think you can hear that sizzling anyway. It's hard to scrape that out when I've got the phone in my hand. So then the next thing we're putting in here, we got some tomatoes, a little cayenne pepper, a little turmeric, a little salt. And if we had it, we'd put some sugar in there, but I don't think I could find it, so we're going to go without it for now. We cooked the other stuff about 3 minutes so far. Don't worry, I'll get those in. And this is going to cook for about 7. And the veggies are doing fine. So by now it's cooked, the tomatoes are all mushy. It's cooked down about 7 minutes, and we're just going to add the coconut milk in a few. And the veggies are starting to get nice and soft, so we're doing good. So now we have added the coconut milk. Of course, it's totally different now, right? And we got a pot on the back there. We're going to put some jasmine rice in there. Right now it's just water. Nothing to see there. Veggies are nice and soft. They'll be done in a minute. Bill, do you want to, come on, be on the video? So the curry's, bubbling now.
Say hello.
You want to say hello? I know, you're busy.
Moving
You're busy making the room for the chef, the cook.
So what you all can't do is smell this, but the smell of this is
it good?
unbelievable.
Oh, I'm glad. Okay, yeah. So this is doing its thing now, and then we're gonna mix it all together and simmer it, and then meanwhile the rice will cook, and then it'll be done. Okay, here we go. Danger Will Robinson. I'm gonna actually pour this in here, which probably shouldn't do that while I'm recording, but no, it's going to be all right. Here we go. So all that's going to go over the vegetables. And then when you're not looking, I'll scrape out the pan, so that'll be good. And then we're just going to simmer it for a while. I might have to add a little water, but that's how it goes. So, wow, I almost forgot to come back and see you guys here at the end. So we've got some lovely curry. Okay, the food is on the table. We've got the curry here. Wait for it to focus. We've got our beautiful basil arrangement. We've got some raita. We put in a little water mint, a little bit of white wine vinegar, a tiny tad of sugar, cucumber, and then Greek yogurt. This is this crazy thing. I don't even know what that is. Forget it. But it's good. It's spicy. And then our jasmine rice, still steaming. And then we made a little bit to test. We put some fresh basil in this bit of the curry just so we want to try that. Okay. Some of it's spicy, some of it's not. Okay, so is it good?
There's one with basil and one without, and it's not a huge difference between the two.
Okay.
Both are delicious.
Pretty good?
You can really taste the cardamom.
See, are you happy?
Yeah, delicious.